Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You're starting here. Open Google Maps and go straight to a place name or drop a pin on the map. Once done, tap the place card or pin to reveal more options. You need the thumbnail or street view image to proceed. Make sure your permissions are on, location and camera access speed things up. If the thumbnail shows a small person icon or image strip, that's your gateway. Now tap the image or the person icon to enter Street View and begin navigating the panorama. Once inside Street View, you'll look around by swiping and change zoom with pinch gestures. This feels like turning your head, so move naturally. To travel along the route, tap or drag the blue arrows on the road. Each tap loads the next panorama. Use the on-screen compass to reorient north or double tap to refocus quickly. If you want a different angle, hold and slowly move to stabilize motion. To jump to another nearby spot, tap any visible street or building in the mini preview. Finish by saving or sharing a Street View link. Tap the three-dot menu for share or save. If you need the view offline, download the area via offline map so imagery caches. This helps when cellular signal drops. If panoramas won't load, make sure the app is updated, clear the app cache, and restart your phone. These steps usually fix stale tiles. If problems persist, toggle location or Wi-Fi, then retry. Most loading errors resolve.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.